Artificial intelligence just changed crypto trading forever, and most traders have absolutely no idea this is even possible yet. Right now, you can run multiple Claude AI agents, each with a completely different trading strategy, and let them compete against each other with real capital and let the best one win. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I set this up, how I connect it to Blofin, and how the winning strategy gets picked and improved over time. Stick around because this is absolutely insane. Let's get started. All right, so before we get into the setup, let me quickly explain what Claude actually is, because I think a lot of people are still sleeping on this. Claude is an AI model built by Anthropic, and in my opinion, it is right now the most powerful and most useful AI tool available for traders. I've personally switched to Claude for the majority of my AI usage, and over the past few months especially, the gap between Claude and everything else has just been getting bigger and bigger. Now, the version of Claude that most people know is the basic chat version. You type a message, it responds. That's it. And look, even that version is already incredibly useful for market analysis, strategy research, writing trade journals, all of that. But what makes Claude genuinely game-changing for us as traders is what they built on top of that. And that's exactly what we're going to use today. Not just one Claude agent, but multiple agents, each running a different strategy, competing against each other in real time. Think of it like this. There are hundreds of trading strategies out there on the internet: trend following, mean reversion, breakout systems, momentum plays. Finding the right one for the current market is a tedious task. You'd have to test each one manually, track the results, compare them. It takes weeks. But with Claude, you can spin up multiple agents, give each one a different strategy, allocate a small amount of capital to each, and just let them run. Whoever performs best, that's the one you keep. That's the one you improve. The rest get cut. This is basically evolution for trading strategies, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. All right, let's get into the actual setup. This part is actually very simple, and let me walk you through it. All right, so to get started, you need to download the Claude desktop app. Head over to claude.com/download. You'll see the download page right here. You'll see download options for Mac and Windows. Just click on your operating system and the download will start automatically. Once it's installed and you open it up, you'll land on the main interface. It looks similar to a chat window, but this is where all the power lives. Now, to access Cowork specifically, you'll need a Claude Pro or Claude Max. Cowork is a premium feature. Once you're on the right plan, you'll see the Cowork option available in your interface. When you first open Cowork, it will ask you to set up your connected folders. These are the folders on your computer that Claude is allowed to access. I recommend creating a dedicated folder for your crypto work, something like Claude Trading, and pointing it there. That way, Claude has access to everything it needs without touching the rest of your computer. And that's it, you're installed and ready to go. Do keep in mind that before you even start setting up agents, write down everything you're interested in. Your trading experience, your goals, the strategies you want to test, your risk tolerance. Because the more context you give Claude up front, the better it can work for you. Now here's something that most people skip, and it's honestly one of the most powerful things you can do on Claude. It's called projects. Think of projects like folders. Each project has its own memory, its own files, and its own instructions. So instead of starting from zero every single time you open a new chat, Claude already knows your setup, your trading style, your goals. Here's how to set one up. Click on Work in a Project. Then click Start from Scratch. Name it something like Crypto Trading. Now, and this is the key step, you want to upload a document that gives Claude context about you. I call this a one-pager. It doesn't have to be long. Just write down what markets you trade, what your strategy is, what exchanges you use, what your risk tolerance is, and what you want Claude to help you with. Once that file is in your project, every single chat you open inside that project is going to have that context automatically. Claude knows who you are. It knows your setup. You don't have to repeat yourself every time. This is a game changer. Set this up before you do anything else. So for Claude Cowork to interact directly with your Exchange account, you need to connect it through an API. I'm going to show you how to do this with Blofin. The link is in the description below, and you'll get up to 5 USDT just for signing up, plus up to 30 USDT in bonuses when you deposit. Step 1. Create your Blofin account and deposit. Go to Blofin using the link in the description, sign up with your email, and make your first deposit. I recommend using TRC20 for USDT. It's fast and the fees are very low. Once your deposit arrives, transfer it from your spot account to your futures account. This is important. Your API will pull funds from your futures account for any trading activity. Step 2. Generate your API keys. Go to your account settings and click on API. Click Create API Key and give it a name. Something like Claude Cowork Trading. You'll see 3 things here: your application name, your API key, and possibly a passphrase depending on your settings now. These keys are extremely sensitive. Never share them with anyone. Here's the smart way to set this up. Enable trading permissions, but leave withdrawal permission disabled. That way, even if something goes wrong, your funds cannot be withdrawn. This is very important. Click Next and save your API key and secret key somewhere safe. I'll use a password manager. Step 3. Connect to Claude Cowork. Now open up Claude Cowork and give it this prompt. I want you to connect to my Blofin Exchange account using these API credentials. Once connected, check my account balance so I can confirm you have access. Claude will process this, connect to the Blofin API, and confirm your balance. Just like that, Claude Cowork now has direct access to your Exchange account. From here, you can give it trading instructions like open a long position on Bitcoin with $10 using 5 times leverage, set a take profit at 3% and a stop loss at 1%, and it will execute it immediately. All right, and now this is the part I'm most excited to show you. This is the actual concept. The problem with trading strategies is that no single strategy works in every market condition. A trend following strategy crushes it in a bull run but bleeds in a range in market. A mean reversion strategy does great in sideways conditions but gets destroyed in a strong trend. So instead of picking one and hoping for the best, I run all of them at the same time. And I let Claude manage the competition. One of the best things I'm doing right now is I'm running multiple strategies in parallel, like a competition between different AI agents. You can do this by telling Claude, create 5 different Bitcoin trading strategies with different parameters, timeframes, and logic. Run all 5 strategies in parallel with $100 each. After 1 week, analyze which strategies are profitable and which ones are losing money. Cut off the unprofitable ones and keep the winners running. This is basically evolution for trading strategies. The best ones survive, the weak ones get eliminated, and over time, I end up with a portfolio of highly profitable strategies. And here's what makes this even more powerful. Once you have a winner, you don't just leave it running as is. You tell Claude to improve it. You can say something like, strategy 3 has been the most profitable over the last 7 days. Now optimize it. Test different stop loss levels, different take profit targets, and different entry conditions. Show me which combination produces the best risk-adjusted return. Claude will run through the variations, backtest them, and come back with a refined version of your best strategy. Then you deploy that improved version, and the cycle starts again. This is how professional quant funds operate. They test, they select, they optimize, they repeat. And now you can do the exact same thing with Claude on a small account from your laptop. Do keep in mind, start small. Give each strategy a small allocation. You're not trying to get rich in week 1. You're trying to find out which strategy has an edge. Once you find it, then you scale it up. All right, and look, for the next few years, 2 kinds of traders will exist. The ones using AI and the ones still doing everything manually. Same market, very different outcomes. Here's how you get on the right side of that. I have put together everything inside the AI Trade Edge community. Every prompt, every bot, every template, every step-by-step guide I personally use, all in one place. And everything I build going forward gets added straight into the group the moment it drops. We are also testing strategies from all over the internet, automating them using PineScript, running them live, and sharing exactly what works and what does not. So you are not just getting tools. You are getting a live research operation. Inside, there is also a full agentic trading course, 2.5 hours, beginner to expert, no coding background needed. By the end of it, you will have your own AI trading system running live, something most retail traders do not even know is possible right now. $79.99 a month. One good trade covers it. And the first 100 members lock in that rate permanently. After that, the price goes up. The link is in the description. You genuinely cannot afford to miss this. And that's it, guys. That's how I'm using Claude to automate my crypto trading. from simple trade execution to running multiple AI agents in competition with each other. If you want to get started with Blofin and claim those bonuses, click the link at the top of the description. Remember, you get up to $5,000 in bonuses just for signing up and depositing, and it's completely no KYC. If you want to go deep on any of these individually, the full trading view, Telegram walkthrough, and in Hyperliquid whale tracking, those videos are all popping up on screen right now. Go and check those out at your own pace. And if you want the full step-by-step guide on how to build your own agentic trading system using Claude, that video is popping up on screen as well. Go and check that out next. If you found this useful, leave a like. It really does help the channel. Subscribe if you have not already, and I will see you in the next one.